Bioplastia. Immediate shine recovery. Preparation. Wash hair with the Molecular Shampoo. Ensure hair is 50% dry using first a towel, then hair dryer. Shake the mousse well. Mix 10 ml of mousse plus 40 ml of the intensive cream in a bowl. Wearing gloves, massage into hair, making sure that each strand is well covered. Leave-on time. Leave the product to work for 30 minutes. Apply wet or dry heat to boost the treatment. Rinse to remove all of the product from the hair. Apply the cuticle seal to mid-lengths and ends, approximately 20 short bursts. Dry and style hair as usual. Follow-up care recommended.